Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift. Let's take a walk around this brand new Heli electric walkie pallet jack, model number CBD20-150. Now this pallet jack has a base capacity of 4,400 pounds, and it has your standard footprint on the forks, 27 by 45 inches. Overall lowered height of this is 3 inches. Overall raised height, I'll show you here, is 7 inches. Now let's talk about the power of this unit. It is powered by a 210 amp hour lithium ion battery. Just want to show you inside of here so that you can see how clean and easy it is to disconnect and plug it right in to your charger that comes standard here. Now coming up here to the brains of the unit, let's talk about this dashboard, I guess you'd call it. It shows you very easily what your charge is, how many hours are on the unit. We have this emergency stop here, as well as that easy key on, key off. Now, I want to show you one of the great features of this unit, and that is the power steering. Super easy to turn in any situation. Now, another thing I want to show you is a safety feature here on the side. When that switch is all the way down, it allows me to move the unit wherever the tiller handle is, all the way down, in the middle, or all the way up. I can also move it here as well. But when I move that switch up, it gives us a safety feature where now it's an automatic brake if it's all the way up or if it's all the way down. Of course, it still moves here in the middle, but as soon as I pull that unit all the way down, it stops moving. So that's one great feature. Another here is this belly stop. Of course, we have our toggle switches on both thumbs, as well as our down and our up buttons for the unit. Now, this unit is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. So if you have any questions or you'd like to demo this pallet jack, simply give us a call at 1-800-435-2449 or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.